Hi guys, welcome to my videos. Guys, today in this video we're gonna see how to apply an e-visa for Kazakhstan. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, many countries provide e-visa facilities nowadays because of the ease in applying and also processing. So it's good that Kazakhstan has this process too, but yes, there are some conditions under which you can apply. First of all, like you have to be a citizen of 109 eligible countries, and then you should get an invitation in order to apply. So that's what I'm going to show you. So in front of you, I have opened this visa migration portal of the Republic of Kazakhstan. So you click on e-visa. Okay. So the very first thing is to select your country. Okay. This is just the sample. You're gonna do it at your as per your situation. So let's say if you're an Indian citizen, I do this, then you have this. So these are the categories under which it can be applied. So e-visa can be issued only if you have a valid invitation from the Kazakh side. Okay, you need an invitation number. Okay, from those who are inviting you in the in the Republic of Kazakhstan. Then you can do this. Without that, you cannot apply for electronic visa and you have to go for regular visas. So, so let's say you have this. How you're gonna go to the portal. Then you have to put invitation number, passport data. I'll show you that. Okay, and then pay the fee, and if granted, you will be all good to go. Now, the very first time when you go here, you need to register, right? So you'll click on this link. So what happens here is you need to register with your personal data. They send a link on the email account where you can verify it. Okay, like the link needs to be verified. After that, your account gets created, and yeah, this is because you are applying as a foreigner. This is the tab you have to create, click, and that credentials that you had created, you gotta put over here. Then you're gonna click on login, and then from here, it's gonna go. So I'm gonna show you that. And when you log in again, they send a code to your email account just to make sure it's you. So I'm going to log in and I'm going to show you that. Okay, so now we have logged in and we see this screen. So click on e-visa. You have to repeat the same thing that I had showed you before once more. But now get visa option is enabled for you. So it's pretty simple. See, most of your details about your visit is already going to be present in the invitation that you have received. So if you have received that invitation, the government already has most of the information about you. So what they're asking you for invitation number, passport number, gender, date of birth, citizenship. That's it. Absolutely that one. Of course, this should match. And then once you have that, you click on next, go do the payment, and then finally it will be submitted. And then if everything goes well, you are all good to go. So thanks for watching this video, guys. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.